My name is David Mason, and I'm with the UFO team. Today, I want to talk about videos that Lee Strauss of the UFO team recently recorded. Lee recorded objects that appeared at the onset to be meteors, but they were wiggling in the sky at a sine wave frequency. I analyzed these objects in computer software and found that the oscillations of these objects were at a frequency between 7.5 and 8 cycles per second. This comes very close to the Schumann's Earth resonance frequency of 7.83 cycles per second. This is known in physics as Schumann's resonance. I've decided to then put this frequency on a signal generator on 2 different oscilloscopes so that I can demonstrate how this appears on an oscilloscope. I have set up a signal generator, an Agilent 33220A, to generate the 7.83 cycles per second as a sine wave. And I'm running that output signal from the generator into the input of this oscilloscope. This oscilloscope's an analog oscilloscope, and this gives a more of a true rendering of how the object that Lee Strauss recorded appeared in video. It is very similar to it. So we don't know what he recorded, but it had this appearance to it. And it certainly could not have been a meteor, because meteors fall at speeds of 20 to 30,000 miles per hour. They don't move in squiggly lines, they move in straight lines. So it's just very anomalous that he recorded that object and recorded it multiple times. And I have that same waveform into this Tektronix oscilloscope, and you can see that waveform is being stored digitally, so it gives you the consistent persistence. Instead of just seeing that line moving up and down as a dot, you're seeing it as it is stored. So it's still just a sine wave at that frequency. Just a very interesting thing that Lee Strauss has recorded, and I just thought that these waveforms would give us a demonstration of how it coincides to this 7.83 cycles per second of the Schumann's Earth's resonance.